Welcome to today's class. I'm going to be talking on a topic titled Introduction to PR Services. There's some questions I'll be asking and I'll also be doing the answering myself. Now let's get right into it. The first question, what are PR services and how can they benefit your business? Secondly, what is the importance of PR in building brand visibility as well as reputation? And finally, what is the difference between PR and advertising? Let's get right into it now. The very first question, what are PR services? How can they benefit your business? I would like to say public relations refers to how others see and feel about a person, a brand, or a company. Very simple, very straightforward. What are some examples of public relations? Like what does public relations even mean? I would say some examples include media advertising, campaigns. You see some campaigns here and there. You see some sponsorships. You see product placement. You see consumer education as well as corporate social responsibility. Now, some people would ask, why is it important for you to have PR when building a brand or, for you to have good reputation? And I would always like to use this example, which is something that I'm familiar with. I've been doing it for over 7 years. I run a fashion brand. The name of the fashion brand is called Agbeke Alashoke. And what we've been able to do and why we say PR is important is because PR is an important aspect of the fashion industry, and they help us to build and maintain a brand's image and reputation. It also plays a crucial role in promoting your brand, and it will help you attract the right target audience. Now, target audience is very key. We see that some people do not communicate appropriately to the right target audience because they've not done their own work by identifying who actually should I be selling to, who should I be talking to, who should be wearing my product, for example, my fashion piece or whatever thing it is that you're producing. So once you're able to answer that question, who my target audience are, then you would answer the next question of where are they found? Where can they be seen? What kind of medium or media do they consume? Are they on social media? Are they offline? Do they go for events? And the like. So once you're able to answer all these things correctly, then you would know who your target audience are. The next thing we're going to be talking about is, what is the difference between public relations and advertising? Some people mix both of them up together. And I would just like to say very simple as possible, or in simple terms as much as possible. Both advertising and PR helps you build your brand awareness. They help you communicate with the right target audience. However, in advertising, you must pay for the advertising space. And we often say that for PR is mostly earned. How is it earned? You push out press releases, you push out opinion pieces, articles, or write-up talking about your business or your organization or your brand and the likes. And in most cases, you're not required to pay for it. But for you to run an advert, you must pay for the advert space, you must buy the space, or it must be paid for. So those are the major differences between PR and advertising. I hope you've learned something today. Now join me in the next class.